And laugh about it. That wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
No, he's gonna make it. Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, no. Ow.
Couple is going to have to come right.
Pounce, pounce, pounce. Yes! Boom!
Oh my god, he's so good!
He's like growling, but can you show me your booty? You like it? What? Did you just pull your fist?
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Why are you being such a beast?
Love each other!
Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
Pijamanı niye bu arada durdu? Kaç kişiydi?
Stop.
You're adopted.
Hey. Oh my.
You are a fox. Phony.
Hello? Ow! No!
Uga. Thank you.
Oh, her nail is in my face.
Like, act like he.
No.
Excuse me?
Lay down.
Don't bite his tail.
To sit like that.
My boy.
No. Tasha, no! I said.
Yeah, I love you.
Harness training, take one.
Meow, 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 ow!
Tiga. Cipi cipi capa capa dubi dubi daba daba ci.
But that's so hard. Well, why is it? Why are you such a little bitch?
Can someone explain to me why my cat's obsessed with my bras?
Scaring me.
Where's the catnip? I love you. What's going on, man?
Oh my god.
But if that's my cat,
Hey. Hey.
I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
One kitty.
Control, please.
Why are y'all just chilling like that?
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei os dois.
Dame la mano, loco. Normalize you not touching my charger.
Let's try again. Good morning.
High five.
Can you hold on?
Chapa dubi dubi daba daba chi.
Oh my god, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, no!
Hey. Meow.
Continue selling its oil and gas.
Shut up.